Welcome, Seeker.
So tonight, I want to talk about some things that have helped me become a healthier, better, happier person.
Welcome to the space of Kenya's conscious.
In my journey to become healthier and smarter and more understanding of my body and the world around me, on that quest, the most valuable thing I learned in the beginning that's helped me the most is learning about my chakras and learning the key ring meditation. And that starts with the heart and it ends with the heart. So, and when doing this, it's like meditating. You think about the chakra and you breathe, inhale and exhale. And if you're just doing a quick tune-up, you'll go from one chakra to the next. And it only takes about 3.5 minutes. So, in order, I will go over those now. Heart, crown, throat, sacral, nose tip, solar plexus, diamond eye, lungs, root, chin, navel, third eye, heart. When I do a quick tune-up at the start of my day or all throughout the day, whenever I feel like my emotions or I'm feeling a little confused on my emotions in any way, tight, tense, nervous, any of these things, it always helps me. And it also keeps my energy high. So I hope this is helpful and much love.
Mountain pose with swinging balance. The way to make this movement most effective is by comfortably keeping back shoulders and legs straight. Inhale while gracefully raising the hands and arms overhead to meet. Tuck the tailbone. Exhale when bringing them lower to the heart. This is how I loosen and expand my heart space while centering and drawing energy with my heart chakra. Useful before yoga and meditation. Everyone has to find their personal style and way of moving. We can learn technique from others, but do not replicate movement. Find your own. Spend time listening, feeling your body,